Hello you guys, happy Saturday. I'm back in the bathroom again, day 3. Well, I guess like not a full day, you know, I have children. But I'm back in here. So yesterday I was doing the scraper in the metal work, and yes, it was fun. So much fun. You know, it was great. But truly, it actually is kind of necessary. And I wanted to explain to you guys, do a quick little video about reclaimed wood. So whenever you have reclaimed wood like this, it's been exposed to the sun, it's had growth spurts, it's, you know, in years that it didn't grow. And what that does is it creates a very defined wood grain pattern. You are going to have hard spots and soft spots from whenever the tree was growing and whenever the tree wasn't growing. So the spring and the winter. And it creates wood grain. It's actually really cool to look up how that works, you know, wood grain and the process of it and how wood gets the grain that it gets. It has a lot to do with the life of the tree and the year and how quickly it grew and how slowly it grew. So anyway, that's just a little segue. You should totally check that out. It's kind of interesting. But, sorry, I'm putting my coffee down. I wanted to explain to you guys that, yes, it's a process. The reason why I can't hit it with the sander is because of the years of wear, there are high spots and low spots on it. Like if I were to turn the wood sideways, it'd be like, and so hitting it with the sander means that I would have to take off the top 1/4 inch of wood, you know, and I didn't want to do that. I want to keep the character of it. Otherwise, I might as well go to Lowe's. So just keep that in mind whenever you're working with reclaimed materials, that it is a process. More than likely, you are going to have to take the time to strip it and scrape it and wire brush it. And so that's kind of the reason behind it. So just keep that in mind going forward. If you ever want to do any projects with reclaimed materials, chances are you're going to have to get in there and scrape. But to be honest with you guys, it's kind of fun. Like, have you ever met those people that like to peel like sunburn skin? I'm one of those. I'm sorry. I'm so weird. But anyways, that's kind of like what it's like. It's very therapeutic. It's, as the kids say, what do they call that? What do they say? It's oddly satisfying. Whatever. Anyway, it is. It's cool. You get to sit there and scrape it and get it all off. And at the end of the day, your reclaimed material gets a new life. So anyway, hopefully today I finish it up, wrap it up. I do have a surprise coming for you guys later on today, hopefully. So keep your eyes out, and hopefully I'm going to be able to wrap this up today, because now that I got all the white out of the divots, I am going to do a light sand on it, and then I'm going to oil it, and it's going to look beautiful. So after I get done with that, I'm going to post a video, and I will share it with you guys. Anyway, y'all have a great Saturday. I will talk to y'all later. Mwah!